Hi, I'm Alexis Cochran.
And I'm Tasha Cochran. And today we're going to be showing you how to make Wonder Woman face masks with Cricut.
Crafting has always been one of our favorite things to do together. And even though I'm 18, I'm an adult, and I'm in college, I still love a good craft project, especially with my mama.
And so today we are going to be doing this really simple DIY to personalize these face masks with this cool Wonder Woman logo. So let's get started.
For this project, we are going to be ironing on the decal onto the face masks the same way we did my shirt.
And so to do that, we're going to need our Cricut, which you can see right behind us there. And then we're going to use the Cricut Easy Press Mini to actually iron on the design. And then we are using the Everyday Iron-On Vinyl, which is what we'll be using to make the decal out of.
You'll also be needing, of course, face masks, a ruler, the weeding tool, and the Easy Press mat. But before we dive into the design space, we need to figure out how big we want the design to be. So we're going to take our ruler and we're going to measure our mask and figure out how big we want it. So maybe like 3 inches?
Yeah, I think so. If we just shift it over, yeah, because we want it to be big, right? Big enough to be prominent, right? But we don't want it to get too close to the seams because that will make it a little bit harder to transfer.
I think
I think 3 inches is good too. All right, so now let's head into the design space and create a new project. So here we are in the design space. You're going to want to create a new project and then add in your Wonder Woman logo and resize it.
Now we're ready to cut.
We've already cut out pieces of the vinyl, so that's what we're going to be using for our design.
We're going to be loading the vinyl onto the cutting mat and into the machine one at a time to cut each part of the design out.
Alrighty.
The black first?
Yes, black first. So the machine's all done cutting out, so now we're just going to peel this right off, and then we're going to go ahead and load up the yellow.
Our vinyl is all cut out. We have our black vinyl and our yellow vinyl. So now it's time for us to iron on our Wonder Woman design onto our face masks. So I love Wonder Woman. I grew up watching her, and I think that she's a great figure for girl power and determination and strength, just like my mom. My mom is my personal Wonder Woman.
Okay, so next up, we're going to use the weeding tool to pull off the extra vinyl from both the black and the yellow. So the yellow will be layered on top of the black. Boom.
Bam.
All right, so we are all heated up, hot, and ready to go. The Easy Press Mini is such a great tool for small projects like this. And so then you let it cool. Let it cool, and then you peel. It's called a cool peel.
Now we're moving on to the final piece, which is the yellow part. And I'm just going to line it up.
Dun, dun, dun.
No, don't. Okay.
We need to iron again. Make sure we're getting the whole thing for 15 seconds. All right.
We peel. The moment of truth.
Wow. Looks amazing.
Can I take it off?
Yeah. Test it out. Let me see. Oh my gosh. So cute and so easy.
This was a ton of fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make your very own Wonder Woman face mask. Now go make your own.
Bye.
Bye.